In this video on Upcycle TV, we've got something a little bit different for you. We've got something special. It was our little boy's second birthday, and his older brother, who's 16, thought it would be a really cool idea if he dressed up as his favourite TV character, Mr Tumble. So I was given the task to make a costume. This is completely out of my comfort zone, but I gave it my best shot. First of all, we found some yellow trousers and basically cut some ribbon to length to put the stripes on and glued them in place. I used a really good quality fabric spray adhesive. It was really tricky trying to get the ribbons to stick to the trousers. I mean, it did stick, but obviously if you were doing this properly, then you would be sewing it on. So that was the stripes put on. Before I finished the trousers, I had to put the patches on, and again I cut them out and glued them on with the spray adhesive. I just used a black marker pen to draw in the stitch lines. Now I needed to make the bow tie, which I thought was going to be a bit tricky, but actually wasn't too bad. So I used the cuff of a sleeve of an old shirt. Then I just coloured some red spots on it. I got some yellow card and drew a load of stars, cut them out and stuck them on again. I used some little red stickers to put on the buttons to make them stand out. So that's the waistcoat, the shirt and the trousers. Now let's see Mr Tumble.
Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, it's good to see you. I say hello, I'm happy that you came. Oh, my God. Yeah.
He's just in character.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you don't want to miss any of our content, subscribe to the channel and click the bell so that you get all the notifications. You can also follow us on Twitter @Upcycle TV. And we have a website where you can buy and sell furniture. It's completely free to use. upcycledirectory.co.uk.